Hey, it's Mark Ferguson with Invest for More, and we're back with another fix and flip video. This is a house I bought a few months ago, and we just finished the remodel on it. We'll be listing it here soon. So we'll walk you through it, show you everything we did. And we have much more information on investformore.com, including videos on all of our fix and flips. We've done 19 sales so far this year, ended up doing 26 last year, so we're on pace to do about the same, maybe slightly more, we'll see. You can find all that on investformore.com. So yeah, I bought this house from the MLS, a multiple listing service. It was listed for $260,000. I ended up getting it for $240,000, and then since I am an agent, I made a commission on this when I bought it as well. Did not need a whole lot of work, but as you can see in the before video, which we'll post, it was full of furniture, but it wasn't in bad shape. It wasn't dirty or nasty like a lot of them we have. And we had a few people ask about the furniture. Nobody ended up coming to get it. Nobody wanted it. So, like what happens with a lot of our stuff, it ends up going in the dumpster, but we did give quite a few people the opportunity to come pick it up. Even had one guy on Facebook saying, hey, I need furniture. I'm in a bad situation. He said he'd come get it. A month later, never got it. So we try to save as much as we can, but when it comes down to it, people just usually don't take the effort to come get it or take it. So on this house, we redid the flooring, redid the paint, redid some of the kitchen and baths, but we left a lot of it the same. And we ended up spending right around $20,000 on the rehab, this very affordable one. And we're gonna be listing it right at $299,900, and then we'll also have $15,000 or so in carrying costs and selling costs. So we turned around this one pretty quick. We used a contractor we have not used before on this one. He's actually our roofer. So he's done, gosh, so many roofs for us lately. Really good, really affordable, and he wanted to do a flip. So we gave him the opportunity on this one and had some mixed results. He picked this paint color, which is not our favorite. It's okay, but we did have to have him come back a number of times for touch-ups. We ended up painting these cabinets in the kitchen, which turned out okay, but then, you know, we're gonna do the pre-formed countertops from Home Depot, and we showed him which ones to get, and he ended up getting these laminate ones that he built himself, which are not my favorite. So it's okay, but things that could have been done better, like I've just seen that right now on top of the cabinet, which I'm not sure, some kind of light. So, but I had to come back quite a few times to patch up stuff and fix stuff. New appliances, and the outlets too. They did something weird when they painted them. They painted like all the outlets the same color as the wall. We had him go through and fix that, but then he missed a couple of them. So some things there that were a little strange. All right, I'm gonna go back here. Bedrooms, this is the master bedroom here. Mostly paint, flooring, light fixtures. And then in the bathrooms, just painted those as well. Put in the new mirror, left the same tub with the surround, nothing fancy there. And that saves us probably $1,000 to $1,500, not tearing out the tub, replacing the tile, all the labor to do that. And it definitely does not add that much, usually in value, depending on the house. The second bedroom here. We have the second bathroom, again, painted that, left the tub the same, saved money there. Got the third bedroom right here. And then, like I said, like those were brought in after the cleaners came, so they're super dirty. Had a bunch of paint left there, you know, random things left all over that we end up having to clean up. And in the garage, I mean, I think we'd asked them about 3 or 4 times to clean out everything in this house, and they came back and cleaned out a little bit, but still left some stuff. And the dumpsters are already gone, so now someone's got to truck this stuff off. And then when they did some of the painting, they painted the garage floor, which is not cool. Those need to be returned back to Home Depot since we're not using them. Some other random stuff that should be cleaned out. This should be, you know, completely empty, clean. And this floor we used really got scuffed up easily, so it's brand new, but I don't know if it's the type of floor or just the way it was treated, but it has scratches, very easy. Right, check out the basement. It was unfinished. Oh, and see, we asked him to fix this trim, which he did not do, because, yep. So just saw that now. One great thing about doing these videos is I see even more in the video than I do looking with my naked eye. And it's funny, we'll do these walkthroughs and blue tape these houses, and you'll go through one time and blue tape for like half an hour and think you've found every single thing. Contractor comes back, fixes all that, walk through again, and you find so much more the next time that you didn't see. It's just crazy how much, you know, details you can miss. And when there's a lot of things wrong, it's easy to miss stuff as well. But when there's just a few things wrong, you usually catch those few wrong things, but you can get overwhelmed when there's a ton going on. Just a basic room there. This is unfinished. Had some stuff here in the basement, moved that out as well, and just cleaned it up down here. So nothing too fancy. We are in a bit, you know, the contractor did not do an amazing job. We may not use him again for a house. He was affordable, but just not the quality of work that we like to see. At the same time, he's a really, really good roofer. So we don't want to, you know, yell at him, piss him off, like burn that bridge on roofing because of one job he did on the remodeling. So we told him what was wrong, what needs fixed, but not going to go crazy yelling at him or pissing him off at the same time. And oh, you can see right there, those need painted. And that's a little, that shouldn't be like that either. All right, so that's the property. And we'll get it listed here soon, probably have him come back and do a few more touch-ups as well and get it on the market. Hopefully it sells quick and keep moving on. So thanks for watching. Again, check out investmore.com. A lot more information on our flips. My rentals, which I'm buying another rental property tomorrow, a small restaurant, so we'll have a video on that coming up. And much more information. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up, and you're welcome to leave any comments, and I'll do my best to respond. Talk to you soon.